Hey, how you doing? Garage Door Mike. And today we're going to show you 9-footer into 15.4 by 6.6. This is a 9 by 6.6. Okay, there's the old door. We busted out the wall. I think it started over there. I think it went to about here. And then we busted out the wall because the header went all the way across, just a little reframe and stuff there, and then stuffed this door in. Obviously, you're gonna be hugging it right here to get them cars in. I mean, that's maximum width. You can see how close we are to this box, the electrical box. We cut an inch, probably didn't need to, but we did just for safety. Not gonna hurt nothing. We snipped an inch off. And you can see here it fits in like a glove, man. So we didn't even move the opener stayed. Look at that little bracket. You can see here it goes right in. No problems. We opted to go with non-reinforcement on this hollow door because we didn't know it was going to be how tight it was. We probably could have put reinforcements, but we opted not to. We got everything in there. Spacing's good, perfect. Like I said, this is a 15.4 by 6.6 CHI hollow. Goes right in. You didn't have to do any like special anything except cut an inch, right? That's it. Did you put the tracks together first?
Yep.
You did?
He did, just test it.
Oh, just like to measure it out? Yeah. You can see it fits right over that door jamb. And believe me, the people here don't care because they're going to be stuffing 2 cars in here. It's going to be tight, but they'll get it in here. Torsion springs, obviously. Oh, I forgot to say the frac is a lock nut. Going to be doing the outside. We'll have it look at the outside here. There's the outside. We're going to put the trim on next, but there it is, man. And you can see it's 7 sections on a 15.4. 7 sections, 15.4 by 6.6. Looks good. These people are going to be super stoked. Like I said, that little 9 by in there is what they had. So, I'm going to be super stoked, man. And get 2 cars in there. There's the old door right there. I'm going to close her up. And this is the nice Chamberlain DC belt drive. Max belt drive, my IQ battery backup. For all your reframe needs, Innovative Door, we do reframes. Been doing them for at least 20 plus years. Custom sizes. Turning your 1 car into a 2 car. I actually told this homeowner to take this and stuff it in the back, to have the door going out the back, but he didn't want to do it. I think he sold it to his neighbor, so that's all good. Anyways, Innovative Door, like us on Facebook, YouTube, Next Door. Go check us out on there. And thanks for watching our reframe video, our 9 by 6.6 into a 15.4 by 6.6 garage door video. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our video.